Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about game theory. So, in general, the game theory have many applications in the operation research. To solve the game here, we can use some basic terms and definitions. Before going to solve the given problem, we can see the basic terms and definitions. Some basic definitions. The first one is game. A game is nothing but it is a competitive situation. It is known as a game. It has the following properties. The first one is there are finite number of participants called players. Each player has the finite number of strategies available to him. Every game result is an outcome. So these are the general properties for the game theory. So the next one is number of players. If a game involves any two players is called a two-person game. However, if the number of players is more than two, the game is known as a n-person game. So the next one is payoff or payoff matrix. The payoff matrix is nothing but it is a quantitative measure of satisfaction. A person gets at the end of each play is called a payoff. Here we can represent the payoff value in the matrix form. It is known as or it is called as a payoff matrix. So the next one is play. A play is said to occur when each player chosen one of his activities. Similarly, here we have the next important term is strategy. The strategy for a player is the list of all possible activities or moves available to him. Generally, there are two types of strategies. The first one is pure strategy and another one is mixed strategy. The pure strategy is nothing but it is a decision rule which is always used by the player to select any one of the particular course of action. In the similar way here, we can use the mixed strategy. The mixed strategy is nothing but the player use the combination of the strategies and each player always keep guessing as to which course of action is said to be selected by the other on a particular occasion. So these are the basic things in the game theory. And also we have the optimal strategy, then value of the game. So generally here we can use to solve the game pure strategy and mixed strategy. In the pure strategy, we can go for our max-min and min-max principle. Max-min and min-max principle. And also the dominance property. So now we can go for our next term, that means a two-person zero-sum game. So here we have to represent the payoff matrix. Suppose if you having the player A and B, you have to represent the overall possibilities in the form of payoff matrix. So next we have some basic assumptions of the game. These are the basic assumptions. Based on this, we have some simple problems in the pure strategy. So in the pure strategy means here we can apply our min-max and max-min principle. Suppose if min-max equal to max-min means here we have the saddle point. Saddle point. Suppose if you're having the saddle point, the value of the game is exists. Therefore, here you have to represent the max-min and the min-max. So suppose here you have to assume this is the given problem. Here you have to find the row-wise minimum value and the column-wise maximum value. Then you have to select the minimum of the maximum value, then maximum of the minimum value. Finally, you can compare max-min is equal to min-max. Suppose if the max-min is equal to min-max means, yes, this is a pure strategy. Therefore, the saddle point, it will be, here you have to represent the value. And also the value of the game also. This is what here you have to represent the max-min and min-max and the corresponding value of the game. Yes. So in this example here, you have to, or see this example, player A and player B, the values are 0, 2, -1, 4. Here you have to check the row-wise minimum value and the column-wise maximum. Then maximum of the minimum, then yes, maximum of the minimum and the minimum of the maximum. Here both are 0. That means max-min and min-max equal to 0. Therefore, the saddle point is 0. And the corresponding value of the game is also 0. In the similar way, we have to find the, or we have to solve the game based on the pure strategy. Okay. So the next one is principles of dominance. Suppose they will give the payoff matrix. Here you have to check row-wise first row and second row, second row and third row. Similarly, here you can use up to mth row. Suppose row-wise, if you're having the maximum value means you can eliminate the minimum row. Similarly, you have to check the column-wise value, first column, second column, second column, third column, and so on. In this case here, you have to eliminate the column maximum or maximum column. Then you have to repeat the procedure till to get the 2x2 matrix. Suppose if you having the 2x2 matrix, here you can find the p value, q value, or p1, p2, q1, q2, and also value of the game. So this is the example for the dominance property. Yes. So with this here we can represent this is the 2 by 2 matrix. After that here you have to find the P1, P2, Q1, Q2 and also value the gain for this problem. So I think this is enough. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.